How to Convert XPS to PDF for Free 2026 tutorial. Open the Google Chrome. Type Free XPS to PDF Converter Download. Press the Enter key. On the first website, download.it, click the link Free XPS to PDF Converter to open the website. On the website, click the Free Download button next to Free XPS to PDF Converter. When Ads pop-ups appears, click Close. Click Start Download. When Free XPS to PDF Converter EXE file download, click the up arrow key and then click Show in Folder. Double-click the Free XPS to PDF Converter EXE file. Click the Run button on Security Warning Prompt. Click the Yes button on User Account Control Prompt. Select your language and click OK button. On the Welcome screen, click Next button, and Next screen, click Skip All. After downloading files, click Run button. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Free XPS to PDF Converter software. Open the Free XPS to PDF Converter. Click the Add Files button. First, select the file type and then click File. Click Open. Select the File Output setting, where you want save your file. Click Convert button. A pop-up message will appear that Process Completed. Click OK button. The software supports batch processing, allowing you to convert multiple files at once. Go to the file and open it. Now it's open as PDF file.